Hi everyone, welcome back to the Business Book Club, where we break down the best business and personal development books in under 5 minutes. Today's book is Option B by Sheryl Sandberg and Adam Grant. This powerful read dives into how we can build resilience, overcome life's toughest challenges, and find joy again after adversity. Whether you're navigating personal loss, workplace challenges, or major life changes, Option B offers tools to help you bounce back stronger. I listen to books on Audible mostly, maximizing my commute time. What I will say about this book is if you are driving your car when you listen to this book, be prepared to pull over. This is not an easy listen, but a worthwhile one. So let's have an explore. Option B begins with Sheryl Sandberg's deeply personal story. After the sudden loss of her husband, she faced the challenge of rebuilding her life while managing her role as COO of Facebook and supporting her children. Partnering with psychologist Adam Grant, the book combines her experience with evidence-based research to offer practical strategies for resilience and recovery. Here are the key takeaways. 1. Embrace the 3 Ps. Psychologist Martin Seligman's framework for overcoming adversity is central to the book. The 3 Ps are personalization. Recognize that not everything is your fault. Blaming yourself unnecessarily for negative events can stall recovery. Pervasiveness. Avoid the belief that one bad event affects every aspect of your life. Permanence. Understand that the pain won't last forever. Things can and will improve. Sandberg reflects on how shifting her mindset around these 3 Ps helped her move forward. 2. Build resilience through support. No one bounces back alone. Sandberg highlights the importance of leaning on your community, friends, family, colleagues, and even professional networks. She emphasizes the power of small acts, like asking someone, "How are you today?" rather than offering generic help. 3. Lean into post-traumatic growth. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about growing forward. Sandberg and Grant introduced the idea of post-traumatic growth, where hardship can lead to greater appreciation for life, deeper relationships, and a newfound sense of purpose. 4. Make room for both grief and joy. Option B doesn't shy away from acknowledging pain. Sandberg argues that joy and grief can coexist, and finding moments of happiness, even during tough times, is key to recovery. Gratitude exercises and mindfulness are some of the tools that helped her rediscover joy. 5. Advocate for empathy in the workplace. The book also explores how organizations can better support employees facing adversity. Sandberg urges leaders to foster empathy and create policies, like flexible schedules or mental health resources, that help people manage challenges while staying engaged at work. Here are 3 actionable tips inspired by Option B to help you face challenges and support others. 1. Practice gratitude. Start or end your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple exercise rewires your brain to focus on positive moments. 2. Ask specific questions. When someone you care about is struggling, ask, "What's one thing I can do for you today?" instead of the generic, "Let me know if you need help." 3. Reframe setbacks. If you're feeling stuck, remember the 3 Ps. Not everything is your fault, pervasive or permanent. That's a quick summary of Option B by Sheryl Sandberg and Adam Grant. From embracing resilience to leaning on your community, this book is a reminder that even when life throws us into the deep end, we can find ways to swim back to the surface and even thrive. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business book breakdowns. And remember, while life may not always give us Option A, Option B can still be pretty remarkable. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.